Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Having done with UPSC Prelims 2025, most of you might be thinking about the UPSC Prelims and the range of cutoff. So based on our experience and also the nature of the questions that were asked in both paper 1 and paper 2, we are expecting the cutoff will be around 85. If you compare, this is little on a tougher side, but compared to 2023, it is little easier. So based on these factors and along with that, even UPSC CSAT paper 2 is also on a little difficult level. So taking and considering all these aspects, we are expecting the cutoff will be less than last year's. Last year everyone was saying that it will be around 95. Anyway, it has come down to 87. And this year the paper was little difficult compared to last year. So it will be around 85 plus or minus 2. And if you are scoring around 80 plus in worst case scenario, confidently start your preparation. If you are scoring less than that, you can come and talk to us about your next phase of preparation. If your goal is to achieve a rank, these intermediate failures should not stop you from planning and focusing on your next goals. So coming to, if you are scoring 80 plus, then already you know that the number of days for this mains have been reduced and you have hardly 80 days. Effectively, if we calculate, around 80 days you will have, and if you waste the next coming 20 days till you get the prelims, then you are almost out of the game. There is no chance you can catch up with those people who start today or tomorrow. So my suggestion to you is start immediately, like take 1-2 days of break and start immediately. And when you are starting, of course, you will focus one aspect of the preparation is your optional. That should parallelly start. And the other aspect is your GS. In regard to GS, we have started this program, RapidX Mains, 80 days, 25 tests. The uniqueness of this program is that these papers will be made on the recent trends, and also we are guaranteeing that we will evaluate these papers within 5 days, and that too in the presence of you by the mentor. If you want, you can come and sit with the mentor and get the paper evaluated with the mentor itself. It will not be evaluated by someone but by the mentor. That is the other uniqueness. And one more thing is that we are including 8 essays. Every sectional test will also have an additional essay test the same day you can write. So every GS paper will have 2 sectional tests and 1 full length, and overall at the end we will have 4 simulations plus essay test. These are the features. Along with Shrikant sir, myself, Pawan sir and Chaitanya sir, few rankers, 2024 rankers will also be there to continuously guide you in this mains preparation of yours. If you have any doubts, feel free to come and talk to us. Thank you.